Hi, ma'am. I'd like to have some tacos. Yeah. Could tomatoes on it, please? Do you have tomatoes? No tomatoes? Do you have cheese? Do you have cheese? Bread? No, I don't want bread. I want a taco. Is there cheese? Thank you. No, I'm not finished, ma'am. Do you have any cheese? Yeah, you need your pen so you can write my order. Let me see. I'll have a Sprite. Yeah, Sprite. Are you gonna write it? No. What kind of waitress are you? You gonna write it? No, I'm not finished. What do you mean, thank you? I'm not finished ordering. Can I order my food, please? No. Can I talk to your manager? Can I talk to your manager, please? I think I hear your manager snoring over there.